There is a blessing in unity. There lived a farmer in a village. He had 3 sons. They used to fight all the time. One day he made a plan and procured a bundle of wood from the forest. Then he called his 3 sons and asked them to cut the bundle. But no one could break it, and when the 3 got tired of trying their best, then the farmer asked to open the door and said to break the wood one by one. The 3 thought it was very easy. The 3 started to break the wood one by one. On which the farmer explained to his sons that it was difficult to break the wood while it was tied, but it became easier to break it as soon as the knot was opened. Similarly, as long as you people remain united, no one can harm you. On that day, all 3 will understand the meaning of unity and start living together. From this story we got the lesson that if you are united then you will remain strong, if you are scattered then you will be wiped out.